Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I told you that I got this little gem here, an air fryer. And I had listed some recipes in my description and gave you the choice of what you'd like me to make first. And the winner was, or is, fried pickles. Usually in all of my videos, I never really read through a recipe as I'm doing something, but today I have to because I have no idea what I'm doing. So I have this jar of Mount Olive kosher dills, and these are, I guess, what they consider snack size. They're like this big. I need to cut them into slices. I think what I'm gonna do is just slice it in half. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Now, I don't know if I want to do all of the pickles. We'll see. But I think if I just slice them like this, that should be good enough. Now, once you've cut your pickles, it says to place them on a paper towel to dry. I guess they can't be wet with the pickle juice. I just don't know. And I'm going to get another paper towel and put that on top of these pickles just to get the moisture out. Okay, next it says to dip 1 pickle slice in beaten egg, then coat with the breadcrumb mixtures. Repeat until all pickle slices are breaded. Okay, this is 2 large eggs that I've beaten, and I'm not going to do this one at a time. I think that's kind of ridiculous. I'm going to put all the pickles in the egg mixture. And now for the breading. This is a combination of 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and 1/3 cup of grated parmesan cheese. So my idea of putting them all in the egg mixture first probably wasn't a smart idea. When they say dip 1 pickle in the egg mixture and then in the panko, that's the smarter way to go. I had to redip them all individually in the egg and then redip them in the panko, because by putting them all in the panko at the same time, it got everything kind of clumpy. See, I still have it on my fingers. It's probably not the smartest idea. Follow the directions. Now it says I need to arrange breaded pickle slices in the basket. Do not overcrowd. So this is what the basket looks like, if you remember from my last video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get these all in. Maybe I will, if I put them in like this. Give them plenty of room, so it says. All right, my last instruction says, cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Halfway through cooking, shake basket. Serve hot. All right, so I'm putting the basket in. There, it's in. Turning this on. I have to turn the heat up to 400 and start. Now the 400 degrees is flashing, and apparently it's in preheat mode. So I don't know if I have to let it preheat and then cook them for 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to stop everything because my gut is telling me let it preheat to 400 and then cook them at 400 for 10 minutes. So I'm going to turn the whole thing off. Let's go. Let's turn it on to 400, preheat, start. All right, let's do that. Okay, so it's been preheating for 5 minutes, but I think it is up to temp because it says to shake after 5 minutes. So I just wanted to see, it's been 5 minutes and I wanted to see what it looked like. And it's really hot and they're already starting to brown. I don't want to move them too much. But I'm going to shake, give them a little shake. Okay. Put them back in. And start. All right, so my timer beeped. We'll see. Such a learning curve. All right, so I'm going to open up the basket. All right. Okay. Let me show you one. See, it's really nice and golden brown. So I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put them on a plate. Well, here's my husband who bought me the air fryer. And pick one up. Let's try one. See what it tastes like. Good crunch. Definitely a dill pickle with panko breadcrumbs and parmesan.
Interesting. It didn't go as flabby as I thought it would.
No. And they're firm. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, a little snack. Here's a crispity crunchy one for you.
I like crispity crunchities. I'll have that one. That's a good one. Well, thank you everyone for your suggestions of what you wanted me to try first. Obviously, the pickles won. I'm going to leave these out so we can have little snackage throughout the day. If anyone has suggestions or pointers or tips that they can give me for my air fryer, please leave me your comment in the comments below. I think for the first time making anything in this, it came out really successful. I was a little nervous about doing this, but all in all, they turned out really good. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, everyone, as I tried out fried pickles in the air fryer for the first time ever. I appreciate all of your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day.